Honestly, as a college student, sometimes I feel like my schedule completely controls me instead the other way around. Between classes, assignments, freelance work, content creation, and just trying to live life, it's so easy to get overwhelmed. But I have realized that the key isn't to wait for motivation, it's about creating systems and habits that make my day flow the way I want it to be. So in this video, I'm going to share how I take control of my day as a design student using simple but powerful strategy backed by research and also some lessons I learned from my favorite book, Atomic Habits by James Clear. One of the biggest lessons from this book is that small, consistent habits compound into huge results over time. James Clear says, "You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems." That literally changed everything for me. I stopped telling myself I need to be productive and instead built little systems that help me naturally stay on track every day. Like, for example, instead of relying on motivation to, get work done, I set up the desk the night before. It's clean, my laptop is ready, and my to-do list is already written. That way, I don't even have to think about starting in the morning. The system makes it easy. My mornings are where I try to set the tone for the rest of the day. I always start with a quick journal check-in or review my Notion dashboard. This gives me clarity and avoids what psychologists call decision fatigue. I read an article by Harvard Business Review that explained how decision fatigue builds up throughout the day. The more choices you make, the worse those decisions get. So, by deciding my top three priorities in the morning, I protect my focus for the rest of the day. Once classes and projects start, things can get quite messy. So, I try to use a mix of time blocking and the 80-20 rule. Basically, I block out chunks of time for studying, design, or content creation. And then I ask myself, what 20% of tasks will actually bring me the 80% of the results? Because not everything is equally important. That way, even if my day gets chaotic, I know I tackled the real things that matter. I used to think taking breaks was wasting my time. But I have realized that breaks are actually an investment. One method I use is the Pomodoro technique, and I really recommend it. It is basically working for a specific time and having a short break after that or between those sessions of working. For example, working for 50 minutes and taking a 10-minute break. It keeps me energized and I don't burn out halfway through the day. Again, it ties back to the book Atomic Habits. Habits should make your life easier, not harder. When I schedule breaks, I actually end up doing even more than I planned. At the end of the day, I always do a quick reset. I review what I finished, check what I didn't, and plan for tomorrow. It's simple, but it makes a huge difference, honestly. James Clear talks about the fact of habits talking, which is basically attaching a new habit to an existing one. So I basically stack my daily reset after like brushing my teeth in the night. That way it's automatic and not like a chore. And honestly, this habit has reduced my stress like so much because I go to bed knowing exactly what tomorrow looks like and I don't have to stress in the morning when I wake up, which is bad for your health because you have to like wake up relaxed, not stressed. So that's how I take control of my day as a college design student. It's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Small systems, tiny habits, and a little bit of structure can completely change how you feel and how much you can get done throughout the day. Remember, your day doesn't have to control you. With the right habits, you can actually design it around the life you want. If you're also a student, let me know in the comments what habits help you stay productive. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design and student lifestyle content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!